In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Play Games full setups on your Google Smart TV or any Android TV without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to make sure you download and install Google Play Games. So in case you don't have it on your Google TV as a pre-install, you can easily download and install the game on your Google Smart TV. So for that, go ahead and make sure you go ahead and make sure you proceed to setting on your remote TV. Click on setting icon. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on OK. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and scroll down, click on apps. Then go ahead and open Play Store. Then click on open right here. Click on open. Then here you go. What you need to do here is to go ahead and make sure you click on search. Then come down below right here and click on search right here. And make sure you type in Google Play Game right here. Go ahead and type in Google. Type in Google. Then once you type in Google, all you have to do is to simply navigate to the search right here. Click on search. Then it's going to give you all Google products right here. So what we need here is to simply download and install Google Play Game right here. Go ahead and click on Google Play Game. And then here you go. Make sure you download and install Google Play Game. After a successful download and install Google Play Game, go ahead and make sure you click on open right here. Click on open. Then it's going to take you to this interface right here. Go ahead and click on next. Click on next. And then here you go. Create a profile. You can use gaming name in games that are supported play game. You might be signing automatically when you play a game. A developer receives your profile information and etc. What you need to do right there is to go ahead and simply click on accept. Click on accept. And then here you go. Now choose a profile image. So here you can choose any profile image from these options right here. Everything depends on you. And then I think I prefer this football profile icon right here. So go ahead and select your profile name. Once you select your profile name, proceed to next right here. And then here you go. Now at this point here, create your gaming name. You can simply slide right here and click on OK right here. This allows you to create your gaming name. So I'm going to simply just cancel the default name right here and then enter my gaming name right here. Once you type in your gaming name, click on next. And here you go. Privacy settings 1 of 2. Go ahead and simply click on allow right here. And then privacy setting 1 of 2, allow again. And then here you go. Ready to sign in. Go ahead and simply click on sign in now.